Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. I am back as promised. So I have my hair wrapped. I'm going to unwrap it and take out the rollers and style it the best way I know how. Go ahead and put my rollers back up in here. Hi y'all, morning. Good morning to all. All right, I got all the rollers out of my hair. I guess by me being natural, it's not going to be the style that I want it to be. It doesn't have that straight look. This is really the natural look. Because I want the curls to kind of like be straight. This is my claw comb. Kind of be straight towards my face. And it wasn't, you know, didn't come out that way. That's okay though. I was just experimenting. I was hoping that I would have the look that I was thinking of, but just didn't work out. Just didn't work out. Guess I'll just try to get that puffy look, Afro look. Cause that's really what it turned out to be. A curly Afro. Then, really don't like this look, y'all. I really don't. I don't like this look. I really don't like this look. But I'm just going to wear it like this for today. I'm sorry, y'all. I might just get a headband and just, I don't know, hold on. Since I am wearing the leopard print blouse, I guess I'll go ahead and wrap my hair, you know, with this. Not wrap it, but use it as a headband. This is it, you guys. I just put it in an Afro puff because I just didn't like that other look. I won't pull my, hair out here because it's gray. I won't pull that out. Okay, you guys, I have some earrings that I made about maybe 4 or 5 years ago when I was making them. So I'm going to wear them today. You may have seen these earrings in my other videos. So I'll go ahead and put on the rest of my accessories like my watch and my necklace. So you guys, thank you so much for tuning in with me this morning. This is my hair. Didn't turn out the way I wanted, but this will do. This will do. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is going to be, this was a kind of quickie, video so that I can go out, with my mother and my son this morning. Thank you all so much for watching. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my videos. Go ahead, share my video, like and comment. Thank you all so much, and I love you guys. Bye-bye.
And please go to Facebook and like my page for the love of beauty. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And feel free to click on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. And comment and thumbs up my videos. But if you thumbs down, just know that I thank you for the view. Thank you so much and be blessed. Bye-bye.